Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing comments in Python. Comments in Python are important to add explanatory notes to your code that can help you and other developers understand the purpose and functionality of your code. So, let's dive into it. Firstly, let's talk about the syntax for comments in Python. A comment in Python starts with a hash symbol, followed by the text you want to add as a comment. For example, hashtag. This is a comment. Now, you might be wondering, why do we need comments in Python? The answer is simple. Comments can help you remember what a particular piece of code does, or it can help other developers understand the code if you are working on a team. Furthermore, comments can also help you debug your code by allowing you to temporarily remove a line of code without deleting it entirely. There are two types of comments in Python: single-line comments and multi-line comments. Single-line comments are used for adding comments to a single line of code, while multi-line comments are used for adding comments to multiple lines of code. Let's take a look at an example of each. Single-line comment example. Hashtag. This is a single-line comment. And multi-line comment example. Triple quotes. This is a multi-line comment. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It is important to note that multi-line comments are enclosed in triple quotes, either single or double quotes. In conclusion, comments are a vital part of writing code in Python. They help you and other developers understand the purpose and functionality of your code. And they can also aid in debugging your code. Remember to use single-line comments for adding comments to a single line of code, and multi-line comments for adding comments to multiple lines of code. I hope this video helped you to learn about comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.